Hey, it's Glines, the automator, and I was watching a video earlier on the new Gemini model. Let me share my screen. Did a little test, and it's it still didn't work perfectly with AutoHotkey V2, but it's promising and very, very interesting. So this is the Gemini Pro. I asked it to write a basic AutoHotkey V2 GUI script that asks for first name, age, and email address. So it first started off like fleshing out the idea. I think this is in a direct competitor to OpenAI's 01 model, and it outlined this thing. It took a little bit of time, by the way, and then it finally kind of came together and said, okay, let's create this Google Doc, which I could open in Google Docs, which let me bring that over, because it was also very interesting, which I shared with Jose, but he's on a call right now. But it was interesting to see it here. Goes through an explanation, goes through a lot of the background and checks it was doing. It gives you resources, which is cool. So again, this isn't for a quick script, but it's just kind of giving you examples. And then I looked at the code, and the first thing that popped in my mind is I know from working, is that this is not allowable, so you can't do this. And it rewrote it. And then this is where I'm kind of confused, because it rewrote it here and not over here. And I don't know. Let me close that. I don't know. Okay, that just goes away. But yeah, it did that. I did the some other stuff the other day, and it wasn't coming up great. But this is the new model, and I also noticed here there's a 2 flash experimental model, which sounds interesting. But so again, this actually had a problem as well. But it looks like the new Gemini model, and it was pretty fast too. Once it got past the advanced logic, it's dumping out code. When I was playing with this yesterday, let's see. Create a hotkey that uses Control+T to launch Notepad. Oh, and maybe this advanced model, I shouldn't be using this advanced model because it's thinking a bit longer now, right? The other Gemini without the advanced model, it was very, very quick. It was quite impressive in how responsive it was. It was just wrong. This one looks like that actually, like it could have done that simpler. And that looks like V1. Oh, it says requires V2. I guess that would have, why? Let me switch this now. Let's switch it to Flash. Hope I don't get exposed. Create a hotkey in I'm going to copy that in case I need to reuse it. Wow, and look at how much faster that was right now. It's still, that looks really like, I'd still say that was not the most, can you make that more efficient? I know I have a typo there, but let's just go with that. It should be fine. There we go. So run down that comma shouldn't be there. Oh, geez. That's interesting. But you get the idea, right? So Gemini, again, Claude for right now is still our go-to, but it's pretty cool to see Gemini is coming back and fighting. Yeah, thank you, Zeus. I'm glad you agree. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Please let us know if you find any other models. Even the OpenAI, we did try the GPT-4 model because Isaiah has a paid account to that, and it was better than what it was before, but it still had a lot of problems, and so Claude was still the forerunner at giving us good V2 code. Thanks for watching. Cheers.